In this video, we will see how to verify if anyone has logged into my Facebook account or has my Facebook account been hacked. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Your subscription means a lot. Please subscribe. I have logged into my Facebook profile. Let's click menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, we need to scroll down and click Settings and Privacy tab. And in the next screen, again need to click Settings option. On this screen, I need to click Security and Login link below Security section. Here we can see where and when and from which devices I have logged into my Facebook account. We can view all the devices that I have logged into in the past. I live in Bangalore and have never been to Mysore, but there is a logged entry, that too in the month of March 2020, which is a lockdown period because of COVID-19. So, it seems that my Facebook account has been hacked. It's quite a surprise to me. So we need to first log out of all the devices. Let me first log out of the Mysore login device. We can secure the account here by initiating logging out of the Mysore account. And next, log out of all the devices and change the login password. To do that, first, we can enter current password I have been using and the new password that I wish to change to and save changes. And next, I can click Continue to see if I am logged into any other devices besides this phone. And done. I am logged into Facebook with just one device, that is my Redmi Pro 6 phone. I hope this video was helpful on verifying and securing your Facebook account. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial video. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful. And also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.